cosmic secrets revealed. Beyond time, beyond space, beyond imagination.
For over a century, a single unbreakable rule has governed our understanding of the universe. Nothing can travel faster than light. It's the ultimate cosmic speed limit. But what if that rule was meant to be broken? What if we could shatter that barrier, turning science fiction into scientific fact, and explore the stars in ways we've only ever dreamed of? The speed of light is mind-bogglingly fast, 299,792 kilometers every single second. Yet, even at that velocity, the universe is vast. A journey to our nearest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri, would take more than 4 years. To cross our own Milky Way galaxy, you'd need over 100,000 years. Einstein's theory of special relativity paints a clear picture. As an object approaches the speed of light, its mass increases towards infinity, requiring infinite energy to push it any faster. Time itself slows down for the traveler. Based on this, faster-than-light travel seems fundamentally impossible. At least, if you play by the conventional rules. But what if we could bend the rules? In 1994, physicist Miguel Alcubierre proposed a fascinating loophole, a concept straight out of science fiction: the warp drive. The idea isn't to propel a ship through space faster than light. Instead, the Alcubierre drive would manipulate space-time itself. Imagine a ship encased in a bubble. This bubble would contract space-time in front of it and expand it behind. The ship inside the bubble wouldn't actually be moving at all relative to its local space. It would simply ride a wave of distorted space-time, effectively surfing the cosmos. In this scenario, the ship itself isn't breaking the cosmic speed limit. It's the fabric of space that's doing the moving. It's a brilliant workaround that doesn't violate Einstein's laws. Another tantalizing possibility lies in the existence of wormholes, or what scientists call Einstein-Rosen bridges. Think of space-time as a giant sheet of paper. To get from one point to another, you'd normally have to travel across the surface. But what if you could fold the paper, bringing the 2 points right next to each other, and then poke a hole through them? That hole is a wormhole, a theoretical tunnel connecting 2 distant locations in the universe, or even 2 different universes entirely. If we could find or create a stable, traversable wormhole, a journey that would take thousands of years could become instantaneous. We could step through a gateway and appear in another galaxy. The catch? We've never actually observed one, and the physics required to keep one open might be just as challenging as building a warp drive. But let's say we solve it. We build a warp ship or stabilize a wormhole. The implications go far beyond just getting places quickly. Traveling faster than light could fundamentally break our understanding of causality, the relationship between cause and effect. According to relativity, if you travel faster than light, you could theoretically arrive at your destination before you even left. This opens the door to bizarre paradoxes. You could go back in time and change the past, creating a grandfather paradox where your own existence becomes impossible. The linear flow of time from past to present to future might dissolve. The consequences are so profound that some physicists believe there must be a law of nature, which we haven't discovered yet, that prevents such temporal chaos. But let's push past the paradoxes for a moment and just imagine the possibilities. If we could reach another star system in days or weeks instead of millennia, everything would change. We could establish colonies on exoplanets orbiting distant stars, transforming humanity into a truly interstellar species. We could explore nebulae, black holes, and other galaxies up close, not just through telescopes. The entire scale of human civilization, our culture, our science, our very identity would be redefined. The loneliness of our small blue planet would end as we joined a galactic community. Even if we are the only ones in it for now, the future of humanity would no longer be confined to one solar system, but would stretch across the stars. Of course, the scientific and engineering hurdles are immense. The Alcubierre warp drive, for instance, would require a form of exotic matter with negative mass or negative energy density. This isn't something we can just order online. We don't even know if it can exist. And the energy requirements would be astronomical, possibly equivalent to the mass energy of an entire planet. Similarly, keeping a wormhole open might require that same exotic matter to prevent it from collapsing instantly. For now, these concepts remain firmly in the realm of theoretical physics. They are mathematical possibilities, not engineering blueprints. But we should remember, a little over a century ago, the idea of human flight was considered a fantasy. Before that, crossing an ocean was a life-threatening endeavor. Breaking the light barrier may be the ultimate dream of humanity, the final frontier of exploration. It represents a fundamental leap in our journey as a species, from planetary inhabitants to citizens of the cosmos. Whether we achieve it through warp bubbles, cosmic wormholes, or some entirely new technology that we can't even conceive of today, the ambition to reach the stars is part of who we are. The universe is waiting, and one day, faster-than-light travel may finally move from the pages of science fiction into the annals of human history. The stars might just be closer than we think. Thank you so much for joining us on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this exploration of the universe's possibilities, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next adventure.